We start, though, with the COVID-19 situation in this country. South Korea is forecast to see a whopping 160,000 COVID-19 cases on this Wednesday, following a huge uptick in the number of tests conducted a couple of days ago.
But authorities remain calm, saying South Korea, like other countries, is entering the final phase of the pandemic. For more on this, our reporter Choi Min-jung is here in the studio with us. Good morning, Min-jung.
Good morning.
So a huge jump we're expecting today.
Right, Mok-yeon, the daily tally has already surpassed the all-time high. From midnight to 9 p.m. Tuesday, South Korea saw more than 158,000 cases. So we're expecting the new cases surpass the 160,000 mark for the very first time. The figure increased significantly from the day before by more than 60,000 cases. It's also close to double what was seen a week ago. The explosive number comes as there were more tests carried out on Monday. Over the weekend, there were fewer than 300,000 tests each day, but twice as many were done on Monday with 580,000 tests. Around 50,000 cases were confirmed in Gyeonggi-do province, and the capital Seoul saw its daily tally go above the 40,000 mark for the first time.
Okay, those are very large numbers, of course, but authorities still, as Mok-yeon mentioned, remain cautiously optimistic, saying that South Korea may at this point be moving from the pandemic phase to it just being endemic.
Right. Health authorities are saying the country is now seeing an exit from COVID-19. Let's take a listen to what they said.
For now, we've gone to an initial stage of switching to an endemic management system while keeping a check on Omicron's degree of risk. If we keep the low fatality rate and manage to curb the spread, eventually Omicron will also be dealt with like other infectious diseases.
Authorities pointed out that the number of infections increased almost 15-fold in just a month after Omicron became the dominant variant. But they stressed that the number of severely ill patients and deaths increased just 1.6-fold and 1.2-fold respectively. So they're saying the current situation is different to what we experienced in 2020 and 2021, emphasizing the lower fatality rate despite the relatively faster spread. Officials added that they will plan on making changes to social distancing rules and vaccine pass mandates once the Omicron wave hits its peak.
But Min-jung, there are growing concerns as more and more children and teenagers are also contracting the virus.
That's right. Currently, 1 in 3 new infections are reported among those aged under 20. And authorities are especially concerned over the growing number of infections among young children. 9-year-olds and younger currently account for more than 15% of new cases, and cases have more than doubled over the past period of a week. It's particularly concerning because people in this age bracket are not yet eligible to receive vaccines. The government previously announced that an inoculation plan will be laid out for young children in February, but they said they are still under review. If the health condition of a confirmed child worsens, parents can call a nearby hospital for non-contact treatment or go to children's outpatient treatment centers to get checked. Besides monitoring body temperature, experts are saying parents should also watch out for signs like the child refusing to eat or if they urinate less. And if this is the case, they advise parents to take their child to the doctor.
And recently, South Korea's National Assembly approved an extra budget bill worth billions of dollars aimed at helping small businesses hit hardest by the pandemic. And we hear that applications to get some of those funds starts within the next hour.
Right, Mark. Small business hours hit by COVID-19 restrictions will be able to apply for more relief starting today at 9 a.m. Some 3.3 million businesses will get 3 million won each, which is around $2,500. And the money will start being rolled out today as well. Applications will be open for businesses that have a business registration number ending with an odd number, and those ending with an even number will be able to apply on Thursday. Those that are eligible are small businesses that have been affected by restrictions on business hours imposed from mid-December last year.
All right, Min-jung, thank you so much for your report. Talk to you again tomorrow.
Thank you.